Today I'm using fresh basil, a balsamic reduction, a sugar-free organic tomato sauce, fresh sliced mozzarella, and pita bread. So you can either do white or wheat. Start with the pita bread. And then I open up the sugar-free. I always make sure it's sugar-free, dye-free tomato sauce. And I usually just spoon on the tomato sauce. I usually do a fresh mozzarella. I like to buy the sliced, otherwise you can slice it yourself. Those little pearls are nice as well. And if you don't have mozzarella, you could always use any kind of shredded melted cheese on top. And then the next step is the fresh basil. And the nice thing about this recipe, it's high protein and low carb. Pita bread does have protein in it as well, 6 grams per pita bread. Together, we will cook it at 350 for 10 minutes. All right, now the pizzas are done, so I will take them out. I grab my balsamic reduction, glaze over the top, and dinner is served.